Oh my god!
Where?
Over here! I just one-shot him! I killed someone over here! I just one-shot another guy! Oh my god!
I need heal. Let it rain!
Got it?
Alright. Bro, can you res him now?
Yeah.
Break this queue and fucking res me.
What was that? That's crazy. Holy.
I just got headshot by a fucking
Team is lit.
I hit back here 174. Right here, he's almost dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I did everything I could. I'm out of ammo. I'm almost dead. Not gonna lie. Good stuff. I got 9 bullets.
Hold on. Enemy down.
Praise if you can. I gotta hit this med.
Aw, please get up, please.
Nice. I gotta heal. Cover me to walk us. Hit this med.
Oh!
I have literally no fucking ammo. I know.
Oh my god!
Nice.
Oh my.
Yeah, do your race stuff.
I'm gonna 100% farm one in a second.
There has to still be some...
In the back, he's weak, nice. One more here, both sides. He's got a fucking sentinel.
That fucking sucked. Oh my god!
I fucking hate that fucking character, bro. Oh my god, I fucking hate that fucking character, bro. It is unbelievable what that character can do in the fucking air and on the ground, bro. She just squiggles. She can just squiggle around, doggy. She can just squiggle around. She just squiggles and fucking wiggles, and she can slip and slide, and she can squirm around like a dumb space bitch. Oh my fucking god. That character is so unbalanced and always has been, bro. The developers of this game deserve to get fired. All of them. All of them, bro. I don't understand how they have a salary.
Bro, I fucking pissed on him. From here, taxi, I am 190.
I know.
What the fuck? Oh my god!
What the fuck? I've never seen that! That's insane, dude! Oh my god!
Yo!
They're very far.
How many subs if I hit this, you know what I mean? What is that? How many meters? 250?
250 subs.
250 subs.
Let's go!
Oh my god! 250 subs, baby!
Killed one.
Oh my god.
The rev is low on HP. Boys.
Oh.
I can drop. Oh my god, he is such a easy go.
Good night, bro.